This is a major design flaw with Voxelab Aquila's. It's actually with Creality's, the original, what this is cloned off of. But okay, here it is. Now say go to prepare and preheat, PLA. Now you have the temps, or the cooling fan at 175, right? You can see the motherboard fan spinning and cooling. Now, watch when I go into temperature and turn the fan down to 0. Fan 0. So now, that is the parts cooling fan. That is supposed to be this fan. Parts cooling fan 0. Motherboard fan not spinning. Go back up to prepare. Oh, sorry. Go back to temperature. Turn the fan to 105. Now the fan is spinning. Now the motherboard fan is spinning. Would you look at that? Okay, that fan flaw that I was talking about, where the parts cooling fan actually controls your motherboard cooling fan, it's a big problem because sometimes you print with the parts cooling fan low or off, especially for first layers. That means that your motherboard is not being cooled, your drivers are not being cooled. A lot of people print with their parts cooling fan off completely, which means their motherboard is never being cooled. Now, that is with a Voxelab Aquila. That's a hybrid. That's actually a Crealab, I guess I'll call it now. That's with a Voxelab, or with a Creality Ender 3 V2. Ender 3 V2. That is also with an Ender 2 Pro, another Voxelab. That is the same with an Ender 3 Pro as well. All of these printers function the same way. When you turn the parts cooling fan down, you're also turning down your motherboard cooling fan, which is creating a heat problem down there. It's a big design flaw, and maybe we could do something about that. And I'd also like to mention, if nobody else has discovered this before, if this is a new thing for Voxelab or Creality to be learning about, why don't you get a hold of me and send me some printers to test? Because I test these. I really work on these. And yeah, I just wanted to share some informative information that I'd figured out about these, because it will definitely help you from burning out your motherboard if you're using your parts cooling fan. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe for more. Bye.